What's up, everybody? My name's Adam Glick. We're out here filming my new cooking show. Outdoors, nothing but nature. And that's the way we were supposed to eat. So forget the expensive restaurants and follow our outdoor adventures. And come experience it in the wild with me, over a campfire with your best friends. So I made it to beautiful, sunny California, driving the van from San Diego all the way to San Francisco, where I'm meeting up with Anastasia Ashley. She's not only beautiful, this girl can rip.
Adam?
Tex, let's go. Let's go.
Hey!
You made it.
I made it.
You ready to go sail under the Golden Gate Bridge or what?
I am. I'm ready to sail and I'm ready to eat.
What I was thinking is we'll sail underneath the Golden Gate Bridge, make some breakfast. We'll go check the break. I'm not exactly sure what it's called. Do you know?
I think it's just called Fort Point. One of those iconic spots that you're under the Golden Gate Bridge. I mean, how could you go wrong?
Yes.
Let's do this.
Let's go. That's a beautiful turn right there. Straighten out, call it a day. This knife is an extension of your hand.
Okay.
So what you're gonna do is start with what a chef calls a pinch grip. My thumb's touching the heel of the blade. I have full control of this knife right now. The objective is to feed your produce through the knife. So in order to feed the apple through, I'm gonna curl up my fingertips.
Okay.
This way I have no option of cutting my fingertips off.
Okay.
It freaks me out when people cut and their nails are out. So again, tuck your nails away, and I can't cut myself right now. One thing that really helps, slide the tip of the knife through. See that? Look how easy that is.
For someone who loves food as much as I do, thank you.
Yeah.
This is like a perfect little healthy snack, which is what I love to eat. So usually when I tell people I don't cook, they laugh a bit at me because they're like, how do you not cook? And it's, I think, because also from traveling and being on the road too, like that's, you know, when you have time to cook or like you don't have a full kitchen.
That is exactly why I'm doing this show, is I need to show folks like yourselves that are always on the road, professional athletes, anyone that's just constantly going, you can feed yourself.
Yeah.
It starts with basic knife skills, and we can go from there. Surf sucks.
It's not doing it, which I'm a little bummed on, but...
All right, well, I guess the plan is we'll eat some Avo toast and load up the van and go south.
Perfect.
Cool little trick, just run your tip of your knife through. Check that out. Instant dice, ready for the smashing. By just using the tip of your knife, you'll go through every single time and the vegetable will naturally fall away. Slice up some cherry tomatoes.
Looking good.
We got that beautiful smoked salmon, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, that freshly smashed avocado, and local sourdough bread.
It's what we're known for here, right?
Let's dig in. Take that knife, cut it in half.
Do we cheers avocado toast?
You do now.
Cheers. Wow, look at this. This is beautiful.
Got some beautiful little nuggets here. So basically what we've done here is we've gone south of San Francisco.
I mean, this is definitely worth the trek.
Yeah, historically, you know, like an hour drive and you're suddenly in surfing paradise. How did you get into surfing?
I was actually born in California. I moved when I was about 5 years old to Hawaii, and I basically met some kids and they were all surfers, and I asked to borrow a board from them one day at the beach and started from there.
I feel like we should be able to get something, right?
Well, I always say that surfing isn't about the best waves or the best surfers.
How much fun you have.
Yep. You stole my line.
cold.
It was freezing, but it was beautiful.
Now I'm hungry.
I would say my favorite post-serve meal is definitely something that has protein and carbs.
So we could do like a pasta with lemon, Parmesan, little grilled chicken.
Perfect.
I know the perfect place. We could pull up on the side of a cliff, watch California's sunset. I mean, in a nutshell.
That's what we came for, right?
So after a long, hard surf, Anastasia and I, needless to say, are starving. So I'm gonna make pasta. I just want grilled chicken breast with this beautiful pasta I'm gonna make. I've coated it with salt, pepper, some herbs, and olive oil. Right onto the grill. I'm gonna leave it here for about 3 minutes on each side. While I'm waiting for that, I'm gonna go cook some pasta. Awesome surf, by the way.
Yeah, that was fun.
That was killer. So good to finally get out with you. How do you feel about artichokes?
I love artichokes.
You do?
Yeah.
But they're intimidating, right?
I've never cooked an artichoke in my life, but I always will order them at a restaurant.
These are local Castroville artichokes. All you have to do is steam them until they're soft. These have been going for, oh, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes. This is a small artichoke. I'm gonna press in on the center here, see how it broke? If it's not breaking, it's not ready.
Okay.
So to start off the base of this pasta, I'm just gonna use a little bit of bacon. What bacon does is it's gonna release its fats and give me something to cook with.
The one thing I've noticed when you're cooking, you make everything really colorful.
You gotta make things pop, you know? You gotta make things look good. Kale's sauteed nice, everything's ready to go. All you gotta do now is hit it with some white wine, Parmesan cheese, and pasta. So you'll notice one thing when I'm cooking, I typically don't measure. When it comes to just savory, on-the-fly, can't feed yourself food, you don't need to measure. It's about feel, it's about taste. Use a little intuition, and I think your food will come out every time. So our artichokes are perfectly steamed through. It's been about, 30, 40 minutes. I'm gonna cut the artichokes in half, exposing the heart, and grill them face down. This is bucatini, it's extra thick and robust. Cherry tomatoes, kale, garlic, bacon, okay? Those beautiful local grilled artichokes. Give it a little toss. We're gonna add some Parmesan cheese.
Let's get into this.
Get it in you. This is my spot. I'm glad you were able to enjoy it, because I've been enjoying this for years, and it just never seems to get old.
Thank you for showing me the spot and showing me some new ways to cook, too.
Get out there and practice your knife skills.
And get out and practice your surf skills.
Cheers to that. Nailed it.